Gujarat. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary, Social and Cultural, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2025-2026. The one who rises with the sun must not fear the heat of the journey. These words by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam inspire unwavering dedication to my path, which serves as a constant reminder to embrace challenges with courage. As I stand before you today, these words inspire me to face any obstacles that lie in fulfilling the responsibilities and duties that come up with the role of General Secretary, Social and Cultural, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. The role of General Secretary, Social and Cultural is both crucial and dynamic as it involves nurturing and promoting various social and cultural interests in our campus. I believe my vision, passion and experience can make me lead a significant impact in this role. This campus has given me many opportunities to showcase my leadership skills. In my first year, I was selected as an associate member in Springfield, an experience that shaped my leadership skills and taught me the meaning of teamwork, planning and execution. My work lied in two domains: publicity and media outreach and events. In that tenure, I worked alongside two other associate members and three core organizing team members in the conduction of nationwide prelims in Ahmedabad, which saw an increase of 125% participation, which led to a boost of 150% for the participation coming in from the Gujarat region. I worked alongside two other associate members and we were responsible for the publishing of media articles in the Gujarat region. Together, we published more than 35 articles, the highest number for the region in Gujarat. I also participated in publicity drives in the cities of Bhubaneswar, Kolkata and Ranchi, expanding the press reach. In the press time responsibility, I was given the responsibility of accommodation, where I worked alongside 7 other associate members, 4 core organizing team members and 2 core organizing team heads, and managed to give a comfortable stay to more than 2,800 students from all over the campus. In my second year, my roles in Springfest diversified. My roles expanded in the facet of sponsorship and marketing and pro nights, along with the existing responsibilities in publicity and media outreach and events. In the sponsorship and marketing domain, I spearheaded a team of 6 core organizing team members with the guidance from a core organizing team head to lead the sponsorship drive in the Mumbai and Pune region, where I personally accumulated a contribution worth more than 2 lakhs. Additionally, I assisted in onboarding sponsorship worth more than 5 lakhs. In the event, I worked alongside another core organizing team member for the conduction of nationwide prelims in Mumbai, which saw an increase in participation by 25%. This led to a boost of 30% of participants from the Mumbai city. I also coordinated the eliminations in Ranchi. In the fest, I was given the responsibility of increasing the participation of the event in the fine arts genre, namely branding, digital illustration and crazy fabric. The event, branding and digital illustration both saw an increase in participation by 50% from the previous edition. Frenzy fabric was introduced this year and saw an overwhelming response. During my first time responsibility, I was given the responsibility of managing events in Vikramshila and Kalidas, along with 3 other core organizing team members, 6 associate members and 1 core organizing team head. And I am proud to say all the events went smoothly. Apart from Springfest, in my first year, I had the opportunity to be an associate member at Share IIT Kharagpur, where I got the opportunity to learn the basics of finance and consulting and apply it in real-time projects. Me and my friends decided to revive the Gujarat Cultural Association, and we hosted 2 events which became the highlight for our community. The Food Fest that we organized in collaboration with Maharashtra Mandal showcased culinary arts of both Gujarat and Maharashtra. Another event that we conducted was Garba Night. There the registrations were closed within 3 hours. Also, to understand the social and cultural aspect even more, I took part in the street play event of General Championship Social and Cultural in Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Presidents. And I am proud to say that my team secured first position in the street play event of General Championship Social and Cultural. These events and experiences have endured me the skills of leadership, execution, planning and coordination which are required for the post of General Secretary, Social and Cultural Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. My vision is to build on the rich cultural heritage of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur and foster an environment where each and every student can showcase their talent. Thank you.
I request panelists to keep their questions brief after the organizing given the time. Who wants to go first? So, I want to know that you attended the CTM interview by intoxicated. It means drunk. Upon that, how do you expect anyone to support a candidate who lacks basic regulation?
So, as a panelist, you should be ashamed of putting such false accusation on a candidate. So, I never went intoxicated in my life. And the selection of 4 organizing people here were done by public. You can please verify with them.
No personal comments. Answer. You said you are responsible for conducting an NWP Ahmedabad in your associate member, right? But you weren't even present at the venue. And don't lie because I was present at the venue and you were sitting at your home. Me and other 2 associate members are working whole event while you were at your home. How do you justify this?
So, I never mentioned that I was in the venue of Nationwide Films in Ahmedabad. I was doing the back-end work to ensure the smooth going of Nationwide Films in Ahmedabad.
One follow-up. You also mentioned about the registration in board project event. But taking registration is a work of core organizing team member, not an associate member. So are you taking others work?
So, the associate members in the tenure of Spring Fest 2023-2024 equally contributed to the participation registration. So, ma'am, due to some item shifting to other regions and minor economic conditions in the region of Pune, there was a slight decrease in alumni contribution in the region of Mumbai and Pune. Ma'am, I already mentioned due to some items which regularly contributed towards Spring Fest from the city of Pune shifting to other regions and minor economic conditions in the month of December resulted in less contribution from previous year.
Hello. Hey Manju. So the Constitution of Technology Students Gymkhana specifies that the Social and Cultural Committee can have 3 faculty members who are known as the director nominees as a part of that committee. So my question is, first of all, can you tell who are those 3 faculty members this year and which one of them is also the chairperson of the committee?
So, there are 4 director nominees, not 3, in the Social and Cultural Committee of Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. The 4 faculty members are Professor Priyanka Dev, Professor Chandrasekhar Mishra, Professor Gaurav Bhomik, Professor Subhash Chandra Mishra.
Can you follow?
My follow-up to that is, Appendix A of the Constitution specifies that the chairperson of the committee is also responsible for overseeing the workings of the concerned purchase committee. Can you tell me what are the workings of the concerned purchase committee in the Social and Cultural Committee and what do the faculty members do in that?
So, the working of the purchase committee is to audit and is to make sure that each and every purchase that is being done is done according to the institute rules and guidelines.
Alex, do you have a question? Do you have a question?
Mandra, you told me you participated in street play journal championship, right? Can you tell me what was the topic of street play by Triple M? So, the theme of our nukkad of our street play event was Nyay Teri Aas Mein. Okay, one other question I have. Can you tell me it was copied or it was the original script you performed? So, the seniors of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of President had put their sweat and dedication to create the script of our street play. So it was an original script.
Okay, Mantra. This is not a question. I just want your views on something. You are part of Gujarat Cultural Association, right? Now, in an institute of national importance, why do you think there is a need for such cultural organizations which basically which segregate the general body state-wise? Why do you think this is necessary? And does it not hurt the integrity of the general body, whereas we should have a collective experience?
So the idea of reviving the Gujarat Cultural Association was that the students of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur can experience the cultural diversity that is present in the state of Gujarat and experience the food, the dance and all the other cultural activities that are present in my home state of Gujarat.
Follow. Majority of the members of Gujarat Cultural Association are themselves from Gujarat, right? And most of them, they are not doing anything, it's just one event, food fair that you conducted. So are you telling me that segregating all these people for the whole event, just for them to hang out together and not hang out with the general body, enough reason, like conducting that one event is enough reason to segregate all these people? Are you not dividing the general body?
So, I would like you to please correct your facts. We have members from other states that actively participate in Gujarat Cultural Association.
Mantra, you have been part of Springfest for the last 2 years. Tell me the total number of FTRs in Springfest.
So, there are a total number of 50 interests and responsibilities in Springfest.
Mantra, can you tell the general body why there was a decrease in the alumni contribution in Mumbai-Pune region this year?
So, I already answered this question. Can you please ask some other question?
Hello. Idea have your seat. We will be moving forward with the proposal. So I request each candidate to give a print of their proposal to every panelist.
My proposals are as follows. Firstly, I want to introduce a digital illustration competition in Open IIT. The objective for this is this will create a platform for the students to showcase their creativity in the segment of digital art. My second proposal is the formation of a logistics team under inter-IIT collegiate structure. The aim of this is to create a dedicated logistics team to assist the contingent leader and deputy contingent leader in handling non-technical, organizational and logistical aspects of inter-IIT preparation and participation. My third proposal is to elevate general championship spirit. I propose to do this by hosting an opening ceremony, by having live standings on Technology Student Gymkhana website, to have a system that 2 halls can participate together in a group event, and an inter-IIT inspired point structure.
Mantra, coming to your second proposal, you are talking about the formation of a logistics team under the inter-IIT contingent structure, right? Now, you tell me up until now, how were the logistics in inter-IIT handled? What were the problems that you are trying to solve with this proposal? And how are you going to add these members under the inter-IIT contingent, given that the inter-IIT contingent team size is 235, which is already very less for our institute, and we are always running short of space for the members, right?
So, the inter-IIT contingent was always formed like this, but there was not a name given to the members who voluntarily worked for it. My motivation for creating this proposal was that in a certain scenario, in an academic session, that people who do not participate voluntarily for this work, our contingent will be in big trouble. That's why, to incentivize people to come join this team, I want to give a position of responsibility certificate and the networking opportunities that come with it.
Okay, Mantra, tell me in your first proposal, how will you ensure that the entries submitted are not plagiarized?
So, I have talked to 2 or 3 different projects about it, and they said the Google image reverse search is efficient to check whether the digital art is plagiarized or not.
Mantra, in your first proposal, you mentioned the research fee as 3,000 rupees. Tell me anyone in this group who is still enough to join the competition will get convincing 3,000 rupees.
Sir, can you please repeat your question?
You mentioned the fees of the research as 3,000. Anyone in this world who is still enough to join the competition will get convincing 3,000 or not.
So, the budget of this event was conducted by a talk with the Fine Arts Secretary this year, and he said the judges are willing to judge under a budget of 3,000, and 3,000 is enough for this.
Hey Mantra, so just a general comment, your groundwork section of your third proposal has 4 sentences, all 4 of them are in the future tense, establishing things that you will do. I hope you understand the meaning of groundwork. It is things that you have already done, not what you will be doing. But let's just brush that aside. Let's just forget that. Let's assume that it was an honest mistake. I'm just giving you a chance, so please answer my question honestly. Your proposal is about introducing an inter-IIT style point system, right? If you know the inter-IIT style point system heavily favors bigger IITs, in this case it will be bigger halls of residence because they will have the resources to participate in each and every event and basically average out, getting a 4th or 5th place in the worst case in almost all the events. This will actually lead to more and more sort of less in terms of less variety of the point system. How are you going to tackle that?
So, this proposal was created in keeping in mind that multiple halls of residence, although do not receive the podium, but work very hard for the event, and I want them to have some of the motive to participate in multiple events. There may be scenarios where a hall of residence may not want to participate in the later stages of General Championship Social and Cultural because they believe they won't be winning the podium. My proposal ensures that if they participate continuously and regularly in the events, they can have a chance to win the podium in General Championship Social and Cultural.
I have a follow-up. Okay, so just to correct your statement, trust me, no hall of residence, things like that. But again, you are not aware of it, so what can we do about it? There is something called the weak law of large numbers. Over a course of time, the bigger halls, because they participate in all the events, it will synchronize towards that. What are you even talking about in this case? The points table will become very biased.
Sir, again as I mentioned, this proposal was created in keeping in mind to reward the participants that participate in an event and put their hard work in the event.
Mantra, in your third proposal, you have estimated a budget of 14,000. Where will this budget come from and what is the procedure to avail it?
So, please correct your facts. The budget is 7,000.
It is 14,000, 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 17.
So, it is 5,000 plus 2,000, total cost 7,000.
Coming on the proposal number 3, elevating general championship spirit, blah blah blah, inter-IT inspired point structure. Just first answering yes or no. The elevating general championship spirit, is this for like improving the current situation inside campus regarding general championship social culture? And coming on inter-IT inspired point structure, is this for improving the current standings in inter-IT social culture? Just answer yes or no in first.
Sir, can you please repeat your first question?
Coming on the proposal number 3, elevating general championship spirit, and inter-IT inspired point structure. For first, elevating general championship spirit, is this for improving the current situation of inside campus regarding the participation in general championship social and culture. As I was also the last year general secretary of my hall of social and culture, I know the current situation. And so, is this yes or no to improve the current situation?
Sir, it is to improve the current situation of General Championship Social and Culture.
Okay, okay. Inter-IT point structure. Is this for improving the inter-IT current situation?
No, sir.
Okay, so you have a follow-up. Yeah, I do have a follow-up. It is a blindly copy from the last year proposal from Vishesh Bhagwan Das Agarwal. What did you say on that? It is blindly copied. Don't say this and that is different. It is just copy. What is your say on that?
Sir, please don't put false allegations. It was not copied from anyone.
Hello.
Okay, Mitra, I would like to ask you a question on your third proposal, which is elevating general championship spirit. You have mentioned in the impact part of that proposal that you will be fostering collaboration across halls and departments. But how it will foster collaboration between departments? Because GC is being played with only among halls. How will it foster collaboration among departments?
Sir, thank you for asking this question. My purpose for mentioning department was a hall of residence may not have students from every hall, every department, center or school. If they get to collaborate with different halls, the students can get to collaborate with students from multiple departments, center or schools that may not be present in their hall of residence. Thus, increasing the overall cultural community in our campus.
Thank you, Mandra. You can take your seat. Before moving forward to another portfolio, I request general body to give a huge round of applause for all the candidates. And thank you, panelists, for asking me questions.